everybody, welcome back. So today we're making Memorial Day dog treats, and I have my new little puppy who just woke up from a nap. Her name is Treacle, so she's here with me and she is taking Paddington's place today, and we are going to make some cute little dog treats. How you doing, little missy? Huh? I don't know, mommy. I don't know. I'm shaking. Why are you shaking? She's so like malleable. She's like a little ragdoll cat. Because Paddington would never sit like this when we're filming. He's like, I need to be involved in everything. But Treacle's super chill. So these little treats are just little frozen treats. And I figured that since it's warming up outside, your dog might be overheating. And so having a nice cold treat that looks like the Memorial Day colors would be really, really cute. So this is super simple because we're weaning Treacle in slowly to this whole pankobunny world. So this is the mold that we're using, and this is from Amazon, and these look like little dog prints or paw prints. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to pick one up. It comes in a set with some little dog bone molds that I used in my gummy bears for dog video that I'll have linked in the cards here if you want to check it out. But first things first, you are going to need some Greek yogurt. So you want to make sure that it's unsweetened Greek yogurt, because any artificial sweeteners are very dangerous for dogs and can make them super sick. So we have plain 2% unsweetened, just plain Greek yogurt, and we're going to spoon about 1/3 of it into the mold. Oh, what are we doing, Treacle? And I need a smaller spoon, so we will be right back. Alright, so we are back. And so we're just going to scoop some yogurt in and then just like press it in. And so we are doing 3 different color little frozen cubes, but you can definitely layer them if you would like that effect as well. And actually, maybe we'll end up doing that. Who knows? If you're watching this, you already know what happened. Okay, so my dogs don't really eat yogurt that much, so that's enough of the yogurt. Let's just smooth the surface, make it look nice and pretty and smooth. Yes. Okay. So next, to create the red and the blue, I have some strawberries and blueberries that I bought frozen, and I've then thawed them. And the reason why we're going to thaw them first is just because it's easier to mix in, and because they're thawed, it's going to color the yogurt more, as you'll see in a second. So we have some blueberries and strawberries. And alright, so now we're just going to spoon some yogurt into the strawberries and the blueberries. Yeah, she's getting used to living here. Okay, and then we're just going to mix the strawberry and the yogurt together, and I'm going to set her on my lap. Please do not jump off. Oh my god. Doesn't this smell delicious? Alright, so there's the strawberries. And now we're going to mix the blueberries. Here, I'll see if we can get the right angle. Oops. So as expected, the blueberries turn purple instead of blue, but whatever. You can't really get a natural blue color. So, this is as good as it's going to get. Damn. Whoops. But either way, we get to see Treacle. Look at this. She loves blueberries. What's this? Oh, is that delicious? Yeah. Is that delicious? So Mommy's holding her with one hand. Other hand, we are going to spoon the strawberries and yogurt into half of the little things. Treacle, you have to be patient. Yeah, you have to be patient, little girl. And I kind of mashed these strawberries up just so that they would fit into the little molds better. And that's why it's also easier when they're thawed. I was going to do half of these blueberry. Whoops. Okay, let's just finish with the strawberries because I really don't think Treacle would complain. Paddington does seem a little bit more food driven than she does, but that's because she doesn't know what being a panko baby, a panko puppy, panko puppy. She doesn't know what that entails yet, so I'm sure when she does, she's gonna love her food, or love her little cookies. She knows the word cookie. Cookie? Oh yes, you learn that quickly, don't you? You learn the important words very, very quickly. Okay, so now we're just gonna spoon the blueberries in. And dairy, it depends really on your dog if you want to feed your dog dairy. You could do this with some coconut oil as well. Damn, that would have been cute. Okay, because it sets white. So coconut oil would work great, and it's also great for your dog's fur as well. I did a very similar video for PB Teen actually ages ago when I just got Paddington. So actually, if you want to see Paddington at roughly this age or a little younger, I'll have a video linked in the cards here, and that covers a treat that's coconut oil and blueberries. So if you don't want to use yogurt, because I know that some dogs, their tummies don't agree with yogurt or dairy, coconut oil is a really great substitute. All right, and then the next row, I'm going to try to do, oh my god, you're done? Don't you squirm, you're sitting on my lap. Treacle, you have to be careful. Okay, so first we're gonna do one layer of blueberries, and it's just a very thin layer because there's not a lot of room in these molds. Alright, and then I'm just gonna kind of tap it to flatten it out, and then we're going to add another dollop of just the white yogurt. And again, tap it to smooth the surface and to create like a smoother layer. And then I'm gonna finish it with the strawberry. Can we even call these Memorial Day dog treats? Because the blueberries are purple instead of blue. I had this really cute image in my mind that like, oh, the blueberries are gonna be like this vibrant blue, even though like I should know that blueberries turn things purple, or like purpley gray, which is basically what we have right now. But anyways, we're gonna keep going because either way it's cute, and like these are cute little treats for your dogs. So whatever, I don't think your dogs will complain. My dogs both know the word blueberry, and they know that they come in little like punnets that have more than one blueberry. So if I give them one, Paddington's like, I know you have more and you're going to give me more. So, alright, so now we're going to pop these into the freezer for maybe like 2 to 3 hours until they freeze. Totally depends on like, I guess the temperature of your freezer. And then we will be back. Treacle will be back and she will test them out on camera, and then we'll bring Paddington in. The reason why I'm not doing 2 at the same time, 2 dogs at the same time, is because like maybe one day, but it's like a circus. It's chaos. So it's the next day now. Paddington is standing outside my studio, very upset. Good sit, Paddington. He's upset that Treacle's in here and he isn't. But our little treats, our little cookies, have frozen overnight, so now we just have to unmold them and see what Treacle thinks. What? Look at this. Oh. So now we're just gonna unmold them. So these are the blueberry ones that are supposed to be blue, but they're purple. Right. And then we have the strawberry. Oh, we have the tricolor one. These are really pretty. Look at these, you guys. Treacle's excited about these ones. Oh, they're delicious. So I'm gonna put this. Can you hear him? I'm sure you guys can hear Paddington crying. And next we just have the pure yogurt ones that Paddington is so upset. Oh my god. Like, major FOMO. It's okay, Paddington. We'll be there in a second. Oh. You squirmy little nugget. Here we go. So here is the plain yogurt. What do we think of that? And then lastly, oh my god, this is so hard. We have the plain strawberry. delicious. You're gonna lick all of them. All right, so I'm gonna put this onto a plate. I'm gonna let her run free, and we're gonna cut to photo videos of both of them enjoying it. Is that delicious? Is that delicious?